first of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, from today we are starting this free service, and let me tell you about all those things later on. But before that, so happy Women's Day to all my Feel Free to Learn subscribers, as well as happy Holi to all. So celebrate this Holi with your family members and with your friends, and be happy always. And thank you so much always for supporting my channel Feel Free to Learn. So now let me tell you about the free service that we started from March 8th. So I have seen many students, right, keep on asking me the pen drive. They financially they can't able to get that 6 months pen drive or 12 months pen drive, but they want all my YouTube videos. So for that, what we plan from today is every month 200 free pen drives will be given to the students. So for getting that pen drive, you have to fill that form, student form, which is available inside the mobile application of Feel Free to Learn. Just name, mobile number and email ID, send to the WhatsApp number. They will tell you, a team will tell you the details. So I have allocated a separate team for it. And here you have to pay, right, only 200 pen drives per month, because we can't able to give more than that because it requires lot of manpower. And one important thing, you have to pay a little bit of amount, that is only for the pen drive as well as the delivery charge. That's it. No other extra charges will not be collected from here. Feel free to learn. Just only you have to pay the pen drive as well as the delivery charge. And most of the students might ask this, why you are saying this as free if you are collecting a charge for the pen drive? Why? Because this pen drive what we are giving is not copyright protected. After 2 months of usage, after watching all my videos, you can format the pen drive and you can use that 64 GB pen drive for your daily usage. So you can use this pen drive as a normal use after the expiry ends. So you are just going to pay only for the pen drive cost as well as the delivery cost. That's it. But again, first come first serve. That is most important. So do not forget to fill the form and send to the WhatsApp number. So those who are filling first will be that we will be getting the pen drive this month itself. So this service we started from today, and we allocated a separate team for it. And because students who keep on asking me the pen drive, so definitely you can avail this offer. Just you are going to pay the pen drive amount as well as the delivery charge, and after your usage you can format the pen drive and you can use it for the normal daily usage 64 GB pen drive, right? So that's it, and we are extremely happy to introduce this free service from this March 8. So thank you so much all, and be happy and celebrate this Holi with your family and friends. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.